Welcome to Calmlish English. This is a place where you can learn English slowly, gently, without stress, without pressure. Today, our healing word is peace. Take a slow breath in and breathe out softly. Let's begin. The word peace is a noun. Peace. Peace means calm, safety, and no fighting. Peace is when the world is quiet, when your heart is light, when your mind is free. For example, I feel peace when I sit near the ocean. The country is at peace after the war. Reading a book gives me peace. Peace is not only outside. Peace can also live inside you. Peace. The morning sky is full of peace. The world is quiet. The air is soft. I am peace. My heart is peace. My breath is peace. Peace is here, in this moment. Peace is around me. Peace is inside me. Even if life feels heavy, I can always return to peace. With each breath, peace comes back to me. Breathe in peace. Breathe out peace. Peace is a simple word, but it is powerful. It reminds us that we are safe, that we can rest, that we are whole. Carry this peace with you in your heart today. Thank you for being here. See you again in the next healing word.